Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about how to sell a house by owner, a step by step guide. So guys, let's start. Determine a price. Before listing your house for sale, you will need to determine how much you think it's worth to a potential buyer. Normally, when you work with a real estate agent, they have access to information that helps to make a competitive market analysis to informs a home's value. A competitive market analysis evaluate recent home sales in your area, overall market trend, and comparable houses to help come up with an appropriate number. If you are on your own, you will need to do the CMA yourself. Prepare and take photos. Once you have determined your listening price, it's time for the next step. When listening a home for sale, professional looking photos can be worth thousands of dollars in the final sale price. Before taking photos, you will likely want to surface the place. This can be as simple as a deep clean or even some home repairs. You will want to be as honest as possible in your listening about the state of the house. So if there are an easy fixed, like throwing a new coat or paint over some outdated rooms or replacing a new fixtures here and there, it could be worth the investment. And make sure to take the photos on a sunny day with the lights on and quotient open. List your home with a retailer. There are many sites available for home listening: Zillow, Trulia, FSBO, Home Finder, and for sale buyer for sale by owner.com are popular options for easy listing by owner. Some sites are free and some charge a fee for listening. Real estate agents usually have more access to marketing and advertising.